Okay, so this is just a follow-up video to the Eachine UZ65 review I did a while back, and it's on flash sale right now, which is why I'm making this video now. I was going to make this a little bit later after I made some more refinements to my setup here, which I'll explain, but since it's on flash sale now for $85, I figured I might as well tell you guys about it now so you can at least order it if you are interested in doing this setup and get it for a lower price, because I think it's going to go back to like $110 in a few days. So check the link down in the description. It's $85 right now. But yeah, this is the UZ65. I took off the canopy, the camera, and the video transmitter, and I replaced it with basically 4K setup here. So this is the Caddx Loris 4K camera, and so it's a single camera there and board. And I basically attached the board and the camera together on these dampeners. And this basically isolates the vibrations, so there's no jello in the video, but it does allow the camera to move around, as you can see. So you will need to use some warp stabilizer if you're using some sort of video editor to stabilize the video footage. Now, if you do decide to do this, you are going to need to power the camera from a 5-volt regulator, and it's going to be hard to see, but it's right there. I have that powered off the battery lead, and the camera is powered off of that Pololo. It's a Pololo 5-volt regulator. I'll link that in the description. You guys can check that. I've used that before. I used that in the previous video where I made the Mobula 6 HD before the Mobula 6 HD came out to get the camera to work. So same thing here. The internal onboard 5-volt regulator isn't strong enough to power this camera, so you're going to need an external one. And then the video transmitter and everything else is powered off of the onboard regulator. I did upgrade the video transmitter just because I wanted to get a little bit more power. Plus, this video transmitter is a little bit better than the Eachine version. This is the Flywoo Goku TX Nano. I think this goes up to 400 milliwatts. I think I was just flying around 200. Really good video. I think it's much better than the one that came from Eachine. And if you are going to get this, it is going to weigh more, so I recommend upgrading your batteries and getting these Nubigen Nitro Nectar 300 milliamp hour batteries. These are really good batteries. You can get 3 minutes of flight time on this. And just for reference, this is how much this little setup weighs. It's about 32.5 grams, and this here, if you guys remember, was the brushed 4K with the Runcam hybrid on there. This one significantly heavier at 41.7 grams. Anyway, so I'm not going to link these little dampeners yet. I'm still working on these. It's a work in progress. And so if you really want to give it a try, send me a DM on Instagram, and I will get those over to you. But just keep in mind that this is still a work in progress. But I just want to show you this little setup here if you want to give it a try, and also video footage. So check out the video footage and see if you want to give it a go.